Serious illnesses and diseases names in English. Tuberculosis, TB. A contagious disease caused by bacteria, called Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which usually affects the lungs. He's getting treatment for tuberculosis. Tuberculosis spreads through coughing or sneezing. Cholera. Cholera. A serious disease that causes severe diarrhea and dehydration, usually from dirty water or food. Many people got cholera from dirty water. Cholera can spread quickly in unhygienic places. Typhoid. Typhoid. A bacterial infection that causes high fever, weakness, and tiredness. I'm recovering from typhoid. Typhoid spreads through dirty food or water. Jaundice. Jaundice. A condition that makes the skin and eyes yellow due to liver problems or too much bilirubin in the blood. She looks pale and weak because of jaundice. Drink plenty of fluids during jaundice. Diabetes. Diabetes. A disease where the body cannot control blood sugar levels. My mother has diabetes. Avoid sweets if you have diabetes. Epilepsy. Epilepsy. A brain disorder that causes sudden fits or seizures. He has had epilepsy since childhood. Epilepsy attacks can happen anytime. Anemia. Anemia. A condition caused by a lack of blood or iron in the body, which makes a person weak and tired. She looks pale and tired due to anemia. Eat green vegetables to prevent anemia. Amnesia. Amnesia. A condition that causes loss of memory, often after an injury or illness. He got amnesia after a head injury. Amnesia made it hard for him to remember his past. Anorexia. Anorexia. A condition in which a person has a very low appetite or refuses to eat, often because of illness or mental health problems. Anorexia can make a person very weak and tired. Stress and anxiety can sometimes lead to anorexia. Hemorrhage. Hemorrhage. A condition that causes heavy bleeding either inside the body or outside due to a damaged blood vessel. After the accident, he had a severe hemorrhage. Internal hemorrhage can be dangerous. Leprosy. Leprosy. A long-term infectious disease that affects the skin, nerves, and sometimes other parts of the body. He is being treated for leprosy. Leprosy is now fully curable. Measles. Measles. A highly contagious viral disease that causes high fever, cough, runny nose, red and watery eyes, and a red skin rash that spreads over the body. The child has measles and a high fever. Measles often begins with fever and a runny nose. Mumps. Mumps. A contagious viral disease that causes fever, headache, muscle pain, and swelling of the cheeks or jaw, swollen salivary glands. He has mumps and a high fever. Mumps spreads easily from one person to another. Smallpox. Smallpox. A deadly, contagious viral disease that caused high fever, skin rashes, and painful blisters on the body. People with smallpox had high fever and painful blisters. Thanks to vaccines, smallpox no longer exists today. Septic. Septic. A condition in which a wound or part of the body becomes seriously infected with bacteria. His wound became septic and needed medical treatment. If a cut is not cleaned, it can become septic. Rheumatism. Rheumatism. A condition that causes pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joints or muscles. My grandmother has rheumatism. Gentle exercise helps reduce stiffness and pain from rheumatism. Coma. Coma. A deep, unconscious state that lasts for a long time. The accident left him in a coma. He woke up from the coma after 2 weeks. Tumor. Tumor. An abnormal lump of tissue that forms in the body when cells grow too quickly or don't die when they should. The doctor found a tumor in his brain. Not all tumors are cancerous. Cancer. Cancer. A serious disease in which abnormal cells grow uncontrollably and can spread to other parts of the body. His father is fighting cancer. Early detection can help treat or cure cancer. Heart attack. Heart attack. A serious condition that happens when blood flow to the heart is suddenly blocked, causing damage to the heart muscle. He had a heart attack last night. Stress and unhealthy food can lead to heart problems.